Changing your phone number on Rogers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your number quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Rogers website or open the Rogers app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your phone number. Step 3. Select Phone Number Change. Look for an option that says Change Phone Number or something similar. Click on it to begin the process of updating your number. Step 4. Choose your new number. You will be prompted to select a new phone number. You may have the option to choose from available numbers or enter a preferred number if applicable. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rogers Customer Support for assistance.